The world has been pretty crazy lately, and we can definitely say it's been crazy for cryptocurrency as well, especially Bitcoin. And even though cryptocurrency has been around for a while now, it's still considered by some to be in the early phases of global adoption as the next big currency. So, if you're still on the fence about cryptocurrency, here are 5 completely different ways you can get some free cryptocurrency to get your feet wet. Alright, so let's get right into it. The first way, and this way is pretty obvious for most people who are into crypto, is to sign up to Coinbase. You can get $10 worth of Bitcoin just by signing up and making your first purchase with Coinbase. If you don't feel like making a purchase, it doesn't mean you won't be able to earn any other types of cryptocurrency. After you register, you can get some free cryptocurrency just by learning about other types of currency through the Coinbase's Earn program. Basically, you will watch some short videos about other different types of currency and answer a question after each one. And free cryptocurrency will be added into your account almost immediately. The videos are only about a minute long, and it usually takes me about 3 to 5 minutes to complete them. And don't worry if you get the answer wrong, they'll let you keep trying until you get the answer right. Also, Coinbase does have a wallet app that is available for the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, which sometimes has its own promotions that allow you to earn even more currency. So don't forget to use my link in the description below if you want that bonus currency. Another way to get free cryptocurrency is by using the Brave browser. Brave was co-founded by Brendan Eich, who was also the creator of JavaScript and co-founder of Mozilla. Brave is like any other web browser like Chrome, Explorer, and Safari. The only exception is that Brave strips the website of any ads and tracking information that you normally see while you're browsing. Then as you're browsing the web like you normally would, you'll see a little notification in the corner of your screen. And if you click on it, then it'll open up another browser tab so you can see all the details of that ad. And then it gives you crypto in the form of BAT, which is Basic Attention Token. Needless to say, if you don't click on the ad pop-up, then you won't gain any currency. Also, if you're a content creator like me, you can earn even more BAT tokens. If you register your website or video platforms like YouTube as part of the Creators Program, people who are also using Brave can donate their BAT tokens to support your content. They also have a few other notable platforms that you can register with the Brave Creators Program to receive more BAT as well, which I think is pretty cool. It kind of keeps the community supporting each other. The next way to earn cryptocurrency is by watching videos like on YouTube. The only difference is that you'll be watching on LBRY TV instead. What makes LBRY different from YouTube is that it's a video platform that is decentralized on the blockchain and is similar to a peer-to-peer platform like BitTorrent if you use their software on their computer. With that said, you can earn crypto through their LBRY TV or their Odysee.com, which is their sister site. You can also install their peer-to-peer software on your computer or use the app that's currently available for Android devices, but it may be coming for Apple devices pretty soon. My advice is use all platforms because the first time you access each platform, you receive some crypto as a reward. The rewards will be in the form of LBRY coins, which is their own currency. Like YouTube, you can create a channel with LBRY and upload your videos to earn even more currency through achievements and donations from the community. The fourth way you can earn cryptocurrency is through airdrops. Every once in a while, developers of certain coins will distribute their currency on the blockchain. This is a way crypto developers market their coin or currency. It's pretty common when it's a new coin or if they want to increase awareness of their currency. And how this works is that you first need to create a crypto wallet, and then when developers release the currency on the blockchain, and if you have a valid wallet, you will receive some free crypto. The most popular wallet for airdrops is the Ethereum wallet, and a popular Ethereum wallet is myetherwallet.com. And you can find more details and news for when a cryptocurrency is about to drop at airdrop.io. Just keep in mind that in order for you to receive any type of airdrops, the wallet needs to be verified first. And the way to verify it is by making some sort of valid transaction to and from that wallet. And the last way to earn crypto is by using faucets. Faucets are kind of like reward sites where you have to perform certain tasks to get the currency. And there are all kinds of tasks you can do, like watching a video, playing a game, clicking on a link, or signing up for a product. A word of warning: be careful about clicking on anything on these types of sites. Some of them are not very legit and it can be full of viruses. Obviously, this is my least favorite method, but it does work if done properly. And you can check out 99bitcoins.com or cryptarium.com to help you find the best faucets to use. And those are my 5 ways to earn yourself some free cryptocurrency. The best way for you to experience it is to do it for yourself. If anything, try out Coinbase first, since you'll get some free cryptocurrency to play around with, and now you have a few crypto wallets to start up. definitely give the Brave browser a try too. It's easy to set up and makes your web browser experience so much cleaner. And while you're browsing around, you might as well check out some videos on LBRY or Odysee to earn yourself some easy cryptocurrency. And if you're feeling a little bit frisky, then give airdrops and faucets a shot too. This is just an overview, but do me a favor and like this video and leave a comment if you want me to create step-by-step guides on any of these methods. And if I get enough requests, then I'll do it. But you can also find more info on my website as well. So I'll leave links to everything that we talked about in the description below. But like any other investment, there are some risks involved. So be conscious of what you're doing with your money and be aware that there are some tax implications of cryptocurrency. So as a disclosure, this is not financial or tax advice. If you have any concerns regarding your finances or taxes, please reach out to an expert on the subject matter. This video is only for entertainment purposes. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.